Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread lasagna at home. First, select your favorite bread, marinara sauce, and a blend of cheeses like mozzarella and ricotta. Next, prepare your bread by removing the crusts, which helps create a softer texture. Then, you will assemble the layers in a baking dish, alternating between bread, sauce, and cheese. Finally, bake your delicious creation until it is perfectly golden and bubbly, ready to enjoy. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for this delightful dish. You'll want to select a good quality, slightly thick bread, such as white sandwich bread or even brioche, for the best texture. Carefully trim the crusts from about 12 to 15 slices of bread, depending on your dish size. Have 1.5 cups of your favorite marinara sauce ready, along with 2 cups of shredded mozzarella and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget about 1 cup of creamy ricotta cheese too. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time for the fun part: assembly. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your delicious marinara sauce across the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, carefully arrange a single layer of your crust-trimmed bread slices over the sauce, ensuring they fit snugly. Then, generously dollop and spread about 1/3 of your ricotta cheese, followed by a sprinkle of mozzarella and Parmesan. Repeat these layers 2 more times, finishing with a final, abundant layer of cheese on top. Almost there. Now it's time to bake your magnificent bread lasagna. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover your baking dish tightly with aluminum foil and bake for 25 minutes. This helps the bread absorb the flavors and become tender. Then, remove the foil and continue baking for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully golden and bubbly. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving, allowing the layers to set perfectly. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.